Looking for gear that'll impress any guy? These crazy Amazon gadgets are built to upgrade your setup, boost convenience, and add that wow factor to everyday life. From smart tools to epic tech, these finds are impossible to resist. Check out all the links in the description below. When you're off the grid, this tiny tool could be a lifesaver. It filters out bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics, turning streams or puddles into safe drinking water in seconds. No batteries, no setup, just sip straight through it. It's ultralight and fits right in your pack, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or emergency kits. Simple, reliable, and built for any adventure life throws your way. Finally, a place for everything you carry. This wooden docking station turns any nightstand or desk into a tidy command center. It holds your phone while it charges, keeps your watch, wallet, and keys in perfect order, and even has space for glasses or small accessories. Made from solid wood with a smooth, natural finish, it blends into any decor. Simple, sturdy, and smart. Organization has never looked this good. Looks like a rugged fuel can, but opens into a secret minibar. This clever canister is designed to hold your favorite bottle and a few chilled cans, keeping everything hidden in plain sight. Pop it open at a picnic, on the beach, or around a campfire, and you've got an instant drink station. It's sturdy, portable, and turns any hangout into a party. It's not just a speaker, it's a science show on your desk. This Ferrofluid speaker makes your music come alive as magnetic liquid dances to every beat. The colorful RGB lights add an extra layer of magic, shifting hues to match the rhythm. Despite its futuristic look, it delivers powerful, balanced sound that fills the room. Equal parts art, tech, and entertainment, it's music you can actually watch. Warm beer? Not on your watch. This frosty beer holder keeps your drink ice cold for hours thanks to its double-walled, vacuum-insulated design. It fits both bottles and cans, no need to switch attachments or fuss around. There's even a built-in bottle opener right on the lid for convenience. Durable, sweat-proof, and easy to grip. It's the perfect companion for beach days, BBQs, or just chilling in style. Who says your car can't have a sense of humor? This mini hoodie slips right over your gear shift, instantly giving your car a cozy, playful touch. It's made of soft velvet that feels great to the touch, while protecting your shifter from dust, scratches, and chilly mornings. Super easy to pop on and clean. It's the perfect mix of cute and functional, guaranteed to make passengers smile every time. Ever wondered what's really happening beneath the water's surface? This underwater fishing camera lets you see it all in real time on a bright 7-inch screen. The high-resolution lens captures every detail clearly, even in murky water. With 12 infrared lights, you can keep fishing after sunset and still spot your catch. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 hours, perfect for long lake, ice, or boat fishing trips. Your couch just got an upgrade. This smart sofa caddy keeps your snacks, drinks, phone, and remote perfectly organized right by your side. Its self-balancing cup holder keeps your drink steady, even on soft cushions. No spills, no stress. The modular design lets you rearrange each compartment to fit your setup. There's even a USB-C port, so you can charge your devices while you relax and binge your favorite shows. Who needs a toolbox when you've got this all-in-one multi-tool? It packs 16 essential tools into one compact gadget, from a hammer and pliers to knives, screwdrivers, and even a rope cutter. Whether you're camping, fixing something around the house, or facing an emergency, this little beast has you covered. It's made from tough stainless steel that won't rust or bend. Practical, portable, and ready for anything you throw at it. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny flashlight packs serious power. It's compact enough for your keychain, but bright enough to light up your path with 400 lumens of clarity. The magnetic base makes hands-free use effortless, and the rotating head gives you light exactly where you need it. Plus, it's waterproof, rechargeable, and even offers colorful RGB modes for any situation or adventure. Ever wish you had a third hand while working? This clever magnetic wristband gives you exactly that. It's packed with powerful magnets that hold screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits right on your wrist, so you can grab what you need instantly. The adjustable strap fits comfortably, and the breathable mesh keeps things cool. Lightweight yet tough, it's the perfect sidekick for repairs, builds, or any DIY project. Here's a gadget that makes window cleaning feel futuristic. This smart robot automatically sprays, wipes, and navigates every inch of your glass with laser precision. No ladders, no streaks, no effort. It maps out the most efficient route, avoids edges, and even climbs smoothly without slipping. Whether it's day or night, this little machine leaves your windows spotless while you relax and let it do the work. This mini chainsaw proves that big power can come in a small package. It slices through branches and thick wood with ease, making it perfect for quick backyard cleanups or DIY projects. Lightweight and cordless, it's super easy to handle, even for beginners. With long-lasting batteries and smooth cutting action, it turns trimming trees and tackling firewood into an effortless weekend job. This wall-mounted key hook is pure nostalgia with a clever twist. Shaped like a classic retro car, it lights up its headlights every time you hang your keys, then automatically fades after a few seconds. It's not just storage, it's a mini piece of wall art for car lovers. Easy to mount, sturdy, and full of charm. It turns everyday key hanging into a fun little ritual. Here's a gadget that brings engineering to life, literally. This Mini V8 engine kit lets you build a fully functional model with moving pistons and spinning components, giving you a front row seat to how real engines work. It's a hands-on project that's both challenging and fascinating, making it perfect for anyone who loves cars, mechanics, or just creating something truly impressive from scratch. Imagine one tool that fits almost every bolt, nut, or screw you'll ever touch. This universal socket automatically adjusts to grip different shapes and sizes. No more hunting for the right wrench. It snaps onto any power drill or screwdriver for quick, effortless work. Built from strong steel pins, it handles even stripped or odd-shaped fasteners with ease. Compact, durable, and clever, it's a true toolbox hero. Who needs a flashlight when your hands can glow? These LED gloves turn your fingertips into mini spotlights, perfect for fixing, fishing, or exploring in the dark. Just flick the switch, and light shines exactly where you point. No juggling tools or torches. The stretchy, breathable fabric keeps them comfy, and they're even waterproof. Smart, practical, and fun, they make nighttime tasks feel like superhero work. Measuring just got smarter. This digital tape measure rolls smoothly over any surface, flat, round, or curved, and shows your results instantly on an easy-to-read LCD screen. No more squinting at tiny ruler lines or fighting with tape that won't stay straight. It even saves your previous measurements and switches between units with a tap. Compact, rechargeable, and effortless to use. It makes every measurement quick and fun. Meet the notebook that bridges paper and digital. This 2-in-1 smart pad lets you write or draw on real paper while instantly saving everything to your device. The companion app syncs your notes, sketches, and even voice recordings so you never lose a thought. You can organize, edit, or share your pages as images or PDFs with one tap. Lightweight, wireless, and endlessly reusable, it's creativity made effortless. Tired of digging through clutter just to find the right drill bit? This quirky organizer keeps everything lined up and ready to grab. Each slot holds a single bit, up to 28 pieces, so you never lose track again. The tough, drop-resistant body can handle accidents in the garage without cracking. And with its fun denture-style shape, it makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves organization, or just needs a good laugh while they work. For those who treat cigars like fine art, this humidor turns storage into an experience. Crafted from rich cedar wood, it naturally regulates humidity to keep every cigar perfectly preserved. A built-in digital hygrometer and dual humidifiers maintain the ideal environment, while the LED lighting showcases your collection in style. With glass panels, organized trays, and a hidden drawer for accessories, it's elegance and precision rolled into one cabinet. Ever wished your desk fan looked like it could power a jet? This 3D printed turbofan model brings aerospace engineering right to your workspace. It's not just for show. The spinning blades deliver a cool breeze, while the built-in humidifying spray adds moisture to the air. The glowing red tail light mimics a real engine's flame for extra flair. Adjustable speed control lets you fine-tune the airflow exactly how you like it. Drilling holes doesn't have to mean making a mess. This clever dust cover catches every bit of debris before it hits the floor. Just attach it to your drill, and it seals tightly around the bit while still spinning smoothly. It traps up to nearly all the dust, even from concrete, so cleanup takes seconds, not minutes. Lightweight, washable, and easy to use, it keeps your workspace spotless and your lungs protected. Measuring angles just got a serious upgrade. This digital inclinometer doubles as an angle finder and marking ruler, all in one sleek device. Its dual-sided LED screens show readings instantly and clearly, no matter how you hold it. The built-in red light projects precise guidelines for perfect alignment, even from a distance. Lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to use, it makes tricky measurements fast, accurate, and effortless. Meet the pen that literally defies gravity. The hover pen floats gracefully at a 23.5-degree angle, turning your desk into a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it spins smoothly on its magnetic base, a mesmerizing little stress reliever while you think or work. The precision ballpoint ink glides effortlessly on paper. It's part art piece, part writing tool, and completely unforgettable. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.